Hey guys, Tepcocyclerepair. I'm working on a Craftsman lawnmower here, and I want to show you the difference that a dirty air filter makes. These are really important to keep clean. You got to blow them out, clean them, and then when they get dirty like this, you got to replace them. I'm going to show you how much it's going to choke this mower out, and if you're having these kinds of running problems with your mower, it can be as simple as changing this filter out. But guys, do me a favor before we get started, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. Let's get started. All right guys, so I got this mower. I got the bar clamped here so I can run it and show you guys the difference. Of course, safety first. Watch your toes when you're messing around like this. Have someone hold it up here. If it messes up, you can let go of it. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to pull start it. I'm going to take this filter and I'm just going to place it on and off of the air box, and you'll see what kind of a difference this simple air filter makes on a mower and how it runs. So I'm going to start it up first. Come on! Let's take it off. Not bad, that one. Alright guys, so just to show you how a brand new filter works, it's the next day I have to run out and get one of these to show you. But let me throw this one in and show you what it does. No filter in it right now. Guys, and that's how much this air filter will kill these mowers. When you're running this thing, it needs air to breathe. If it doesn't have air, it's not going to run right, guys. That's your tech tip for today. Keep these air filters clean in all your machines, and your machines will keep running good for you. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for further notifications. Until next time, this is Tepcocyclerepair.